In this video, I am going to show you how you can get 6 months of Amazon Prime membership completely for free, and for that you don't even need to pay $1. But this offer is only for students. If you are not student, then you will only get 1 month of Prime membership. So first of all, open Chrome browser on your Windows or on your Android phone and search Amazon. Here you will see the option Try Amazon Prime. Simply click on it. Here below the Try Prime you will see the option Are you a student? Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will redirect to the next page where you see the option Start your 6-month trial. Simply click on it. Here click on Create your Amazon account, and here you will need to create your account using your college email ID. If you don't have any college email ID, then you can try your Gmail ID. Because I have already made an account, that's why I am using a different Gmail ID. Now set a password and click on Create your Amazon account. As soon as you click on it, you will get a verification code on your registration Gmail ID within a second. Now use this verification code to verify your account. In next step, you need to add your mobile number. Because I have already used my mobile number, I cannot use it again. As you are done with adding your mobile number, in next step you may get a verification link on your registration email ID. If you don't get any link, then don't worry, simply sign in, and after that you will be asked to fill your personal information such as your address, your province, your postal code, and the most important thing is that your education details such as your graduation year, your college name, and etc. Once you fill all the information, the next and most important thing is that you need to add your credit card or debit card details for a payment. But don't worry, you won't be charged anything. Without that, you won't get Prime membership. Now you have a 6 month of Amazon Prime membership completely for free, so enjoy it. Now the most important thing is that you will need to cancel your membership before your due date. Otherwise, you will be charged after 6 months. Now to cancel your membership, simply click on All. Scroll down, click on Amazon Prime, click on Prime Student, and here you will see the option Membership. Simply click on it. Here you will see the option Update, Cancel and More. Simply click on it and end your membership. And subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.